Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious dulce de leche chocoflan. In case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 box of chocolate cake mix, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 7 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of dulce de leche, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, and a pinch of salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our dulce de leche flan. So in a large bowl I'm going to add my dulce de leche. Make sure you grab everything. And our cream cheese. So we're going to combine those two together. Just kind of mix them together. And your cream cheese should be at room temperature. Alright, so when we have those two mixed together, we're going to add our vanilla, our evaporated milk, and just mix it. Alright, so after we have those mixed all together, we're going to add our 4 eggs and a pinch of salt. So now we're just going to mix it all together until we no longer see our eggs. Alright, so once we have our flan mixture, now we are ready to transfer it into our bun pan. Alright, so we're going to spray our bun pan with non-sticking cooking spray. Make sure you get everything. Okay. And now we're going to transfer in our flan mixture. And everything should be nice and smooth. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to grab a baking dish that is big enough to fit our bun pan. So we're going to add hot water into our baking dish. So just fill it out halfway. Okay. And now we're going to bake it for 25 minutes. Alright guys, so meanwhile we can work on our cake mix. So we're going to add our cake mix, milk, oil, and 3 eggs. And mix. Alright, so once we have it all mixed, we can set it to the side. Alright guys, so at 25 minutes, we're going to remove our flan out of the oven. And just be very careful because it is hot. Okay. And now we're going to reduce the heat to our oven to 350 degrees. Now, of course, if you don't want to do this step, you can always just pour your flan and your cake mix all together at the same time and bake it at the same time. But me personally, I like to have my 2 layers separated and cleaned. So this is why I do it this way. And now we're just going to pour our cake mix on top of our flan. So just carefully go around it. Now just evenly spread it. Okay, so now we're going to spray a piece of foil with cooking spray. And now we're going to cover our choco flan. Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to put it back in the oven and let that bake for 55 minutes to an hour. It all depends on how long it takes for the cake to bake. Alright guys, so after 55 minutes, we're going to remove our cake from the water. Okay, so we're going to remove the foil. And of course, just make sure that your cake is fully cooked. So just poke it with a toothpick or something. But now we're just going to allow it to cool down for at least 20 minutes. All right guys, so after 20 minutes, we are safe to flip our choco flan over. So this is the fun part. Just going to flip it over. It should be very easy for your bunding to come off, and there you go. So delicious. And of course, you're going to decorate it according to the occasion. You can always, you know, put strawberries. I'm gonna just drizzle some more dulce de leche. I'm just going to drizzle it all around. And it's still a little hot, but we like to eat it while it's warm. And then you can put some peanuts, some pecans, whatever you name it. It's super delicious, just like that. All right, you guys, so once you're ready to serve, you're just going to cut it. And of course, it depends on how big you want your pieces. Cut it. Grab it and serve. Look at that. Perfection. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Grab a piece of bowl. Seriously, super delicious. This is just perfect, and every time we make it, everybody's happy, you know, so it's perfect for the upcoming holidays, for any occasion, you guys. It's seriously the best. And also, you know, this is what I mean when I split the way I do my choco flans, is because I like to see the top coat, the flan. I like to see it clear, just like that. And when you cook them together at the same time, it is gonna cook, but your choco flan or your flan is going to be covered with chocolate. I don't know, but to me this is just perfect. It looks delicious. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious dulce de leche choco flan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
You.